Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Sam's Financial Corner. And we're going to continue with the Developing the Workforce of You series. And for those of you who may not be aware of this series or understand it, this series is about workforce development. And it's also about developing yourself so that you can take full advantage and of the opportunities that are provided to you at your place of employment. So today we're going to talk about the incompetent employee. The one employee that we always say, think about it, how the hell do they even work here? How do they keep their job? They don't know how to do nothing right, yet they still here. We all have been there. We've all said it. I know I have. I can't lie. I have. We've looked at some people and said, there's no way they're going to last long. And they last. And you're like, but how? What are they doing? And of course, we make the kind of things, we suggest that they're sleeping with management or something like that. And I'm not going to lie, as adults, that could be the case. But let me tell you what they don't do, or rather what they do that we should do. Because when we look at things from a perspective, we're like, I'm competent to do my job. I know what I'm doing. He doesn't do this. She doesn't do that. They can't add. They can't spell. They can't do this and that right. And I'll go along with you. Yes, because I've said it. We've seen some of those things when you're on the receiving end. I've received an email from someone that said, why for do you need this? Why for you need this? And I just looked at the email and I didn't know. My whole professional side just had to take a pause. Why for you need this? Why for? And you look at certain things and you go, how do you have a job? And I know that certain people, because I want to give a disclaimer, I know that some people have learning disabilities, and so that's fine, and there are other issues, and I get that. But this person did not. This person did not. That was just one example of their command of the English language that left much to be desired. With that being said, let me give you, I think, one of the best tips that I learned from this person and people like them. What we focus on is doing a good job. I want to do a good job. I want my work to be perfect. We go back over things. We dot every I. We cross every T. We look at every spreadsheet. We make sure our formulas are correct. We look at things in documents and make sure all the slides are in the right place. We spell check it. We grammar check it. We have somebody else look at it. We're concerned about our work. Let me tell you what they're concerned about. Looking good to management. Let me tell you what I've seen this person do and what I've seen other people like them do and what you need to do as well. This person did not care. I'm not going to say they did not care about doing their work. They did not care about creating networks within the office. Not necessarily. What they cared about and what I saw them do was they created a personal relationship with everyone in management. And this afforded them the insulation to keep their job. While other people you would see get fired for not doing this and that, anytime something happened, oh, I don't know why that happened. That must be a system glitch. Let me look into it. Oh, I don't know what happened. That must be something else. Maybe somebody sent something, but I'll look into it. 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 And here's the thing. By doing so, they created a space for them to keep their job because they created relationships with management. Management was always thinking about them. Management was always looking to them, even when the ideas that they gave were just complete garbage. But again, they had management's ear and management looked at them in a favorable and positive light. So my advice to you is, they say sometimes you can't listen to a fool, but you can do what a fool does. Do what they do. Make sure that you create relationships with management. And this is why I always talk about networking in the office, not just with your peers, but also with management. Make sure people know who you are. Make sure people know your work. But make sure that you have people who like you, who listen to you, because that can give you the insulation you need, especially when a company says, well, we're going to be doing a right sizing exercise. That's just a nice and polite way of saying we're about to lay a whole bunch of people off. So thank you for watching, and please take note of that. I know that sometimes if you're an introvert like myself, because I am, it's hard to sometimes make those connections with people and to come outside of your box and talk to people and engage with people. But let me tell you this, I've done it and it works. And sometimes I've done it haphazardly, but hey, it doesn't matter. It can definitely work for you. So step outside of your box, talk to management. I'm gonna tell you this, sometimes you'll learn stuff that other people don't know. You'll learn stuff maybe you shouldn't know, but more importantly, it gives you a view of what management is like. Because oftentimes, if you're not in management, you sit at your desk and why did they do this? Why did they do that? And sometimes having that relationship with leadership, you're able to understand and see things from another vantage point. And that's very important in business. So yeah, if I keep doing it, I'll keep giving more tips, and this video will be very long and I don't want that. So thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to just thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for all of the kind words, the advice, the likes, the support. I am so appreciative of it. Thank you very, very much, and take care. Bye-bye.